Oh, what do we have here? The worst place to shoplift.
The suspect in this next video was wanted for questioning in relation to a retail theft at the Mayfield Mall. An officer pursued the suspect, but like the last video, shoplifters have become increasingly brazen and desperate as they work to meet goals set by their crime bosses.
Hold on, the last dude was messing around? Come on, Nathaniel.
It should be noted this incident happened only 2 days after the first and would be just as unpredictable.
Hey, Fern, you can put me in pursuit right now. Going eastbound Capitol.
She don't really want to get away. She over here yielding to traffic and shit. She not desperate enough for me, baby. Uh-oh, we lost the audio. Oh, there we go.
10-4. We're still eastbound Capitol, speeds 59, traffic medium.
The man ahead of her is simply trying to fix his tire, but this suspect risks putting him right in the line of fire if things go south.
Stop right now, about the 110 block of Capitol.
Why she stop?
I don't know if they're going to keep going. They're behind a disabled vehicle. 146. I'll wait for another vehicle to come.
What the hell?
In case I exit and they take off again. Again, we're eastbound Capitol, about the 110 block.
I don't like these.
115, 160 coming. 10-4. If one just wants to set up sticks ahead of us, just in case.
Officers arrived on scene and strategized on the best approach to the situation.
Do you want me to approach, and then if they take off, you can go?
Sure. That works.
How many? Do you know how many occupants?
What's she about to take off?
Two.
Huh?
Maybe two. Hard to tell at the tank.
Okay. Is he set up yet?
I didn't hear him say he was set up yet.
Okay.
Driver of the Camry, roll all your windows down now.
106 is 1060.
Driver of the Camry, roll your windows down now.
I bet he like, what the hell going on in the front?
160 on 23.
146. 606 is trying to make contact. We're not getting compliance with the driver to roll the windows down. Foot still on the brake.
The second officer attempted to reason with the driver for another full minute. That's when the situation escalated.
I just saw the front wheels move. You want to grab my sticks and try and slide them under the car?
Yeah.
On driver's side, in case they try and take off.
A third officer approached the vehicle with stop sticks, designed to puncture the tires if the suspect attempted to flee.
146, we got sticks in front of the vehicle right now.
Why ain't put him in the on the second wheel?
10-4.
And I might swerve in that caddy. Whoa, bitch, hold on tight. Try to get in that bitch and let that bitch go. What the hell are they talking about?
Reverse! Contact. And 146, vehicle's taking off again. Looks like the sticks hit.
Contact.
We are eastbound on Capitol. Speeds are 60. Traffic is medium. They are weaving in and out of traffic.
Swerve left, swerve right. If you ain't never had shit, swerve on them. Why I've been playing that shit so hard. Stop sticks. What the hell? He need to go back to trading. This the country. They in the country. Roads like this. He just ran a red light.
146, speeds 90. Eastbound on Capitol, approaching 92. They just went through the red light.
Damn, they wrecked somebody?
Foot bail.
Hold on, what did they wreck?
And we just down.
Wait a minute.
They're smoking right now. Looks like they're losing a tire.
Ooh. That's when you supposed to act like this GTA, stop a car, rob them, and then boom, 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 and then go to another car.
And we just turned southbound on A4 from the Capitol.
Ooh.
And foot bail. 3 occupants.
Damn. The car rolled over. Sharkeisha.
Looks like a passenger took off going westbound and the driver took off going eastbound.
Officers began
She said, my big ass ain't running. I ain't got time for this.
using scent dogs to find some trace of where the driver might have ran.
Why does all these bald guys look like Steve Wilkos?
Yeah, I think so. That's what kind of alerted me to what was going on. We switched so many channels as I travel from each district.
Oh shit.
That's whatever we stirred up from the tall grass. Hey, get your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! You gonna get bit? Come on!
They in the trash can?
I see you behind the garbage can.
Oh.
Face away from me. Face away.
Come on, Lil Kim.
Face away. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. All right, I got cover. On the knees. Let's get her. Get on your knees. Drop down to your knees.
Not like she ain't heard that before.
Hold it back, buddy. My bad. Keep your hands in your back.
Please don't be rough. Like my arm is
Yeah. Contact on body camera. Sure. Sure. What's your name? What's your name?
Sharkeisha.
What's your name?
Can I get some water?
Okay, I just want to make sure. I see that the top was ripped. Was that? Did you get bit by the dog at all? Anywhere? No. Okay.
I just want some.
Okay, we'll take care of that in just a second. All right. I'm just confirming that you didn't get bit. That was already there.
It's hurting.
Okay. All right. Stand up for us. All right. You want to continue?
Please don't be
We only had one going this way, so I think this is. Yep. Check here for any other evidence.
How the fuck she was hiding right there? Oh, she little.
So what caught me was, you know, I saw what you saw. Like, oh, he definitely is interested. Yeah, he's definitely interested. And then I came around. I'm like, okay, there's nothing there. And I didn't see. I couldn't tell it's a person here. But then when I got to here, I could see what looked to be.
Because he barked, and I'm like, oh, she's barking at something.
Yeah.
I thought maybe, my bad.
Yep.
But
So she was,
like I said, for the nature of the
she was
offense.
passive, on her, basically back against here, and knees out in front, sitting down. Yeah. Sorry.
We have been able to confirm that he is indeed a good boy.
I was like, oh, is something there? You know.
Yep. Oh, man. That'll go boy.
Yeah.
As for the suspect, Dariana Anderson was arrested, and when her vehicle was searched, officers found men's clothing with tags still attached. Her
Damn.
bond was set at
I know she a good booster too, boy. You could tell by her hair she be getting money.
$1,500. All individuals in this video are presumed innocent.
It's like, whoa! Right around the corner. Yeah. There's a garbage can there, and tucked behind that. So.
Damn. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so we can stay up. So you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, that comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out. And that's it, baby. We out.